ever walked into a living room and felt an immediate, undeniable sense of awe? In 2026, the secret to a high-end interior isn't just the furniture you choose, it is the focal point that captures your gaze the moment you enter. We are talking about the luxury TV wall. Gone are the days when a television was just a black box on a stand. Today, your TV wall design is a canvas for your personal style, a statement of sophistication, and the true heartbeat of your home's identity. In this video, we are going to explore the most breathtaking trends and professional secrets to help you transform any ordinary wall into a cinematic masterpiece. Let's begin our journey into the world of premium interior design. As we look at the trends dominating this year, one word stands out: monolithic. Designers are moving toward massive, seamless surfaces that exude power and elegance. Notice the stunning use of gold-veined marble slabs and the deep, mysterious allure of dark onyx. An elegant TV wall in 2026 utilizes these natural textures to create a sense of permanence. But look closer. It is the interaction between stone and light that creates the magic. The trend of cracked stone textures integrated with hidden backlighting creates a volcanic, dramatic glow. This isn't just decor, it is an emotional experience. By using cove lighting behind these heavy stone panels, we create what designers call the halo effect. It makes your TV wall unit appear to float in space, adding layers of depth that feel both futuristic and timeless. Now you might ask, how do I balance these heavy materials? The answer is in the layering. To achieve a truly stylish TV wall, you must play with contrasts. Combine the cold, polished surface of marble with the organic warmth of wood slat panels. These vertical lines do more than just look good. They draw your eye upward, making your ceilings feel taller and your space feel grand. And let's talk about the TV cabinet. The 2026 aesthetic demands minimalism. A floating TV cabinet is essential for a modern look. By lifting the unit off the floor, you create visual breathability, making the entire room feel larger and more luxurious. Remember, luxury is in the details you don't see. Recessed shelving, hidden cable management, and integrated glass displays are the hallmarks of a professional TV wall unit. Many people assume that a luxury TV wall is only for those with a massive budget, but in 2026, technology has democratized style. By using high-quality PVC marble sheets and engineered wood composites now look and feel incredibly realistic. By choosing one hero material for the center and surrounding it with clever LED lighting, you can achieve a $1 million TV wall design at a fraction of the cost. It's about intelligent choices. Use warm lighting to hide imperfections and focus on symmetry, because at the end of the day, luxury is a feeling, not a price tag. From bold stone textures to the warmth of modern wood slats, your home is ready for its luxe transformation. Which of these designs spoke to your soul today? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive design secrets. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.